There are some people who wanted to achieve a flat stomach because aside from the fact that it would make them feel more confident with the way they look, it would also make them healthier. Many people claim that they wanted to achieve it instantly, so they often look for fat trimming pills, but they often get disappointed because of the unsatisfying results. Now, here is a wonderful technique that would help you lose all of those fats in an instant. This process is called thermogenesis, whereas the fats are being coated with ice for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Experts claim that freezing the body fats would stimulate it from burning. Here is what you needed to do. In a thin cloth, wrap an ice, then put it over the area that you wanted to lose fat. Do this for 12 days and be surprised with the results. But aside from having a positive effect in the body, this procedure is not advised for the people who are not fond of having frostbites. When using this procedure, you should be very cautious of the process. Check the skin of the coated area to see what is happening. If there are signs like these: insensitivity to touch, solid strain, rashes, redness and pain, shivers on the skin. If you see any of these, you should immediately warm the surface or massage and put hot pad on the skin. Always check the covered area.